So in this video, I'm going to show you what all we need to do or what all we need to have to be able to do window cleaning. And at the end of the day, it's not a lot. We need a window-fed pole, a water-fed pole. You can pay as much or as little as you want on these. You're going to at least be about $200 minimum, unless you really homemade it. But if you get up into the carbon fiber poles, like I said before, you can get into the thousands of dollars just for the pole. The brush, again, a cheap brush is about $100, or you can pay a lot more than that. This whole setup here was $200, and that is it. So the other thing that we need to be able to do water-fed pole is this thing right here. And we don't actually need all this reel and everything. I can actually unhook that right here, hook this line right to the outside of this tank, and hook a garden hose to the inside of the tank, and that will give me, and I can carry this around. You can see I got a little bit of spring. I can carry it around, and I can do all the house windows with that. So I don't actually need the reel and all this stuff. I can just do it with this right here and that. I do it with the reel so that way I can be more efficient. I can roll up things a lot faster and everything is set there. I actually got a pump, and I'll show you the pump here shortly of how we can turn it on and everything like that. So this is just a quick setup of what we can do. Again, I can just set this right on, I can screw this right on there, turn it on and off, carry this around with a garden hose right out of the house, and this will work. Now, what I have done is I've actually hooked this all up right here, and in my box up here in the front, I'll show you just here in a second, I actually have a small 12 volt 2-gallon a minute pump that pumps the water back here through my filter and through this. This filter here is called a DI tank, and this is how we are able to clean windows. Now, this is a bigger, taller tank. They also have a smaller tank that works really well too. This here is about 300, the other one's about 400. The one with 400 actually will tell you the TDC of what is actually coming out your window. On this one here is you have to use this meter here to see what our TDS is. And so I will show you another video of what the TDS is and how it works. But you can see right there, this is the meter. The other system does work really well too. It's even smaller and compact, especially if you're just going to walk around the house and do that. Window cleaning is a great way to upsell our ticket and make our average ticket for especially pressure washing, make our ticket instead of being $300 up to $400, $500, $600. Exterior window cleaning, we can get anywhere from about $125 on the cheap side to $300, $500, $700 depending on how big the house is. So this is a great way to upsell our ticket and get more money out of exterior window cleaning. And it's really a simple setting or a simple system. Like I say, right now, between this here, you could be in it for about $500 if you didn't go with the reel and all that kind of stuff to make it simple in the pump. This here and that, and I can do it. And I will show you in another video right up here of how to actually do the window cleaning with the water-fed pole. All right, so right in here is my water-fed pole motor. It's a 2.2 gallon pump, and it's 12 volt, and I have my intake line running here and my pressure line running there. I have a 75 amp switch right here that I use to run my water-fed pole, and you can see right here I actually have an on and off switch right on here that I can turn it on and off right here too. So if I have my garden hose right here, I could actually turn my garden hose on right in here, and this would be my garden hose from the house that I do that. So, and this is what I wanted to explain about this whole system and how it works. It is a great way to upsell and make more money so that we can be successful in getting our average ticket up and to be able to do it pretty quite easily to do it. There's not a lot of stuff too involved in it. Again, I could just run this right into there, screw that on there, my garden hose on there, and voila. That's all I would need to do window cleaning. I've added the extra so that way I can be quicker. With this setup, I can do a house in about 20 to 30 minutes, all the exterior windows. Now, when I do exterior windows, I make sure that my customer removes all the screens. I do not remove the screens. They have to remove the screens. In the emails I send out to them, I let them know that, hey, for us to do exterior window cleaning, you have to remove all your exterior window or all your screens. If they don't do it, then obviously we can't clean them. We don't want to take the chance. A lot of your screens, you have to pull them out from the inside, and we don't want to be the person damaging their screens, getting them in and out. So that is why we make the customer remove the screens before we get here of the day of the cleaning. So that way we can exterior window clean, and they will have all their screens out and everything along those lines. Again, if you want to learn more about window cleaning and exterior window cleaning and actually how to clean the windows, check out this video right here, and I'll see you in my next video cleaning the windows.